Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a cinematic title animation using Adobe After Effects and Element 3D. So before starting this tutorial, let's have a look what we'll create today. So this is the animation we're going to make this video. So before starting this tutorial, I would like to invite you to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. So now let's start. Open your After Effects, then go to composition and create a new composition. Rename it to main, and I'm going with 1920 pixel by 1080 pixel and 30 frame rate per second and duration 10 seconds. Then hit OK. Now go to timeline and right click, then go to new, create a new text. Type your text here. I type this text and align it to the center. Then you can turn off this. Now go to right click new solid and rename it for E3D for Element 3D, then hit OK. Now you can go to effects and go to video copilot, then select element, and from here go to customize layer, then select custom text and mask. From here select the title animation text. Now close this, then go to scene setup, and from here click on this extrude and then click this and select bevel 1. I'm going with extrude 1.5. now go to presets and procedure 2, then I'm using metal and using this silver. Now hit OK. So this is the text. Now right click on your mouse, go to new, create a new camera. I'm using 35mm, then hit OK. Now go to around 1 second, open camera, transform, then camera position, create a keyframe, go to the first frame and select the drag Z camera tool and zoom it until you can see this. Now select all of these keyframes, right click and make them edges, then go to graph editor, select this and make it something like this. Now select this element 3D and go to group 1, then select the particle look and multi-object, turn on this, then go to this rotation, go to 1 second again, create a keyframe here, back to here and rotate this something like this. Select this, press U to open all keyframes and bring this keyframe to the first frame. Now go to around 3 seconds. Select all of this and press U and create a keyframe here. Go to around 1 second and make this something like this. And select the position and drag this until you can see it. select all of them and make them as is also. Okay, now select all of them, then pre-compose, select title, then select move all attitude to the new comp, then hit OK. Now right click, create a new solid, and I am going with gray blue, hit OK. Then rename it to BG, and now import our stock footages. You can download all of the project from the link in video description, and select the smoke, drag it to the here, and change track matte mode to the overlay. Then right click on your mouse, go to new, create a new adjustment layer, and go to effect and presets and search for curves, and to make curves something like this. Now you can go to project and search lens flare and apply it to the here, and change this to screen. Press S and make it 150. Drag this and adjust it position. Now drag the particle to this comp and also make it to screen. Now create another composition called render, hit OK. Now drag the main comp to the render comp, and then create a new black solid, rename it to black bar, then select the rectangular tool, double click on it, turn on title safe action, then drag the mask, something like this, then make it to soft track. Turn off this. go to here and trim to the comp area. Now go to composition and add to render queue, lossless, then select QuickTime. If you have an audio, turn it on. If you don't have, turn it off. And from here select H264, hit OK, and then from here select your output folder, then click this render button. So our animation is complete. This is how you can make a title cinematic animation using Adobe After Effects and Element 3D. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then make sure that you have subscribed my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.